CNN, Will Smith is getting serious about his health and will document his journey for YouTube. In the upcoming tentatively titled series Best Shape of My Life, Smith will show the actor rebuilding his body into the best shape of his life and getting his groove back along the way, according to a description distributed by YouTube. "This is the body that carried me through an entire pandemic and countless days grazing through the pantry," Smith wrote on Instagram. "I love this body, but I wanna feel better. No more midnight muffins." The six-part unscripted series is being produced by Smith's Westbrook Media. This is the fun, funny, inspirational, wildly adventurous, and deeply entertaining story of Smith challenging himself to improve every aspect of his fitness, from agility to power to recovery and more, the description added. The show will feature guests including athletes, scientists and experts. No official names were made available. This is Smith's second show with YouTube. His first, Will Smith, The Jump, was a success for the streamer, notching nearly 18 million views in the first 2 days.